Here we are going to study the subtopic various organization structures. Coming to characteristics of organization. Different authors look at the word organization from their own angle. One thing which is common in all the viewpoints is that organization is the establishment of authority relationship among persons so that it helps in the achievement of organizational objectives. Some of the characteristics of organization are studied as follows. Here we need to study on few points like division of work, coordination, common objectives, cooperative relationship, well-defined authority, responsibility relationships, etc. Now coming to division of work. Point number one. Division of work. Here, organization deals with the whole task of business. The total work of the enterprise is divided into activities and functions. Various activities are assigned to different persons for their efficient accomplishment. This brings in division of labor. It is not that one person cannot carry out many functions, but specialization in different activities is necessary to improve one's efficiency. So, organization helps in dividing the work into related activities so that they are assigned to different individuals. So, even the workload gets distributed. Now, coming to the second point, coordination. Coordination of various activities is as essential as their division. It helps in integrating and harmonizing various activities. Coordination also avoids duplications and delays. In fact, various functions in an organization depend upon one another, and the performance of one influences the other. Unless all of them are properly coordinated, the performance of all segments is adversely affected. Coming to point number three, they are the common objectives. All organizational structure is a means towards the achievement of enterprise goals. The goals of various segments lead to the achievement of major business goals. The organizational structure should build around common and clear cut objectives. This will help in their proper accomplishment. Point number four, cooperative relationship. An organization creates cooperative relationship among various members of the group. An organization cannot be constituted by one person. It requires at least two or more persons. Organization is a system which helps in creating meaningful relationship among persons. The relationship should be both vertical and horizontal among members of various departments. The structure should be designed that it motivates people to perform their part of work together. Point number five, well-defined authority, responsibility, and relationships. An organization consists of various positions arranged in a hierarchy with well-defined authority and responsibility. There's always a central authority from which a challenge can be executed. An organizational structure, also known as organogram structure or org structure, outlines the hierarchy within an organization and describes the roles, responsibilities, and lines of command that exist to achieve the organization's business goals. By establishing clear relationships between departments, organizational structures provide clarity, focus, and efficiency to employees so that they know who they report to and what their goals are. To visually explain the company's reporting and accountability structure, business often create org charts. Point number one. In a hierarchical organizational structure, employees are grouped and assigned a supervisor. It is the most common type of organizational structure. Employees may be grouped together by their role or function, geography, or type of products or services they provide. This structure is often depicted as a pyramid because there are multiple levels or authority, with the highest level of leadership at the top, their direct employees below them, and so forth. Benefits of this type of structure include 1. Establishing clearly defined levels of authority, 2. Promoting teamwork and department loyalty, 3. Fostering employee development and promotion opportunities. Now, there are few potential disadvantages too. They include 1. Limiting collaboration, 2. Restricting innovation, 3. Creating bureaucracy that must be managed. So at top we have chief executive, below them is the manager, and subordinate to them are the assistant managers, and under them are the employees. Point number two is functional structure. In a functional structure, the organization is divided into groups by roles, responsibilities, or specialities. For example, within an organization, you may have a marketing department, finance department, and sales department, with each overseen by a manager who also has a supervisor that oversees multiple departments. A functional structure can be beneficial because departments can trust that their employees have the skills and expertise needed to support their goals. Benefits of this type of structure include 1. Establishing clearly defined roles and expectations, 2. Facilitating improved performance and productivity, 3. Allowing for skill development and specialization. The potential disadvantages also are there. They include creating barriers or silos between functions, 2. Limiting employees' communication and knowledge with other departments, 3. Inhibiting collaboration and innovation. So, if we just look at this chart, it's like this: CEO, under that we have marketing, production, sales, human resources, and finance. In this chapter, we have few important descriptive questions. Question 1, explain the characteristics of organization. Question 2, state the importance of organization structure. Question 3, differentiate between hierarchical organization and functional organization structure. Thank you.